And all the way from Australia, believe it or not, we have Katie Bartley here. Come on, Kate, what are you going to do? All the way from Australia. More reels. Marcus Amurka might do a blast of good flute music. All the way from County Antrim. Lovely stuff. Kate Bartley, a great member of the Crow dynasty, and they're living over in Australia at home for the flat, herself and Emer and the family. So well done, Kate. Lovely stuff. Cathal Lynch is here with us. I'm sure it's time. We've had music and we've had dance, and it'd be nice to have a wee song from Cathal.